I've never been over here.
What are we doing, Parker?
We're doing 1 year, 1 edit.
It's New Year, new edit. It's January 31st, 2 p.m. It's due by midnight, so we're here.
We got 2 goals. The first goal is grimy location. We're already here. And our second goal is best O-face. The left hand of the screen was the shattered windows. And then it's like a trick. I'd be standing. That's what I thought. I don't know. Grimy location. Oh. My face the whole time. No, I missed it. Come on. Whoa! Yo, this is so grimy. There's no way. There ain't no way. Oh, God. Oh! We made it to our next spot in a really dark place. It's really good for filming. Lighting's great. To my left, there's graffiti. Okay. And to my right, there's graffiti. There's train tracks, too. Let's go. Oh! Oh! You're good. We're heading to the train right now. I got a really important thing to say to you guys. I only care about trains. Look at these things!